What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a moment that caught a lot of people's attention. Sfiso has officially apologized to Thatohatsi following the backlash around comments made about her body. The apology happened on a recent episode of Piano Pulse and his words have sparked mixed reactions online. So let's break down exactly what he said, what he meant and why this apology matters. Over the past few days, social media has been buzzing after comments about Thatohatsi's body were discussed on Piano Pulse. Many people felt the remarks were hurtful and crossed a line, which led to backlash and calls for accountability. In response, Sfiso used the same platform, which is Piano Pulse, to clear the air and directly apologize to Thatohatsi. During the episode, Sfiso started by saying he would like to formally apologize to Thatohatsi for the comments he made. He explained that he never intended to hurt her, and according to him, his words were taken out of context and presented in a way that made it seem like he was speaking badly about her, which he says was never his intention. Sfiso emphasized that he has nothing but love and respect for Thatohatsi. One of the most emotional moments in his apology was when he said that he loves her like his own daughter, even adding that she resembles his biological daughter. Because of that, he said he would never intentionally say anything that could hurt her, as he genuinely cares about her well-being. To close off his apology, Sfiso made it clear that he respects Thatohatsi as a person and as a woman. He described her as a very beautiful and gorgeous girl, reinforcing that his comments were never meant to attack her appearance or character. He said his intentions were misunderstood and he hopes his apology helps clear the situation. Now, as expected, reactions online have been divided. Some people appreciate the apology and believe it was sincere, while others feel the situation highlights a bigger issue around how public figures talk about women's bodies, even unintentionally. At the end of the day, this apology has reopened important conversation about accountability, respect, and how words can impact people, especially in public spaces like podcasts. Let me know what you think in the comments. Was the apology enough or does this conversation go deeper? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.